Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the day 2 of how to build your YouTube channel from scratch. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to cover how to get the best niche. Okay, so the niche you're going to post about, and also how you are going to choose your name. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get started. If today is your first time on the channel, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. And also, if you've not watched the previous video yet, make sure you go back and then watch the video so you don't get confused. Okay, so what you need to do, so this is the channel we created in the last video. Okay, yeah, so after creating the channel, what you need to do is to find the niche. Yeah, the niche, or in other words the content you're going to create. All right, so with the contents, there are a lot of contents out there. Okay, so you can just do a simple Google search or just ask AI about contents you can create on YouTube. Okay, so let's do a simple question and answers with ChatGPT. Okay, so contents I can post on my YouTube. Okay, YouTube. All right, so it's going to give you a lot of content. Okay, yes, so as you can see, we have how to make money online. Yes, top side hustle that pays in Ghana, how to make money online. So generally this one is talking about tech and finance. Okay, tech and finance. And also this one is talking about social media growth and monetization. Yes, this one is also talking about tech and account creation, guys. Okay, so generally you are going to choose your content based on what you are interested in, or in other words, what you have interest in. Because I don't think if you don't have interest in a specific niche, when you are doing it, you don't even have the love for it, so you just do it anyhow. But if you understand what you are doing and you have much idea about it, it makes the work very, very simple. Okay, yeah, so this is how you go about it. You can also search for the top creators. Okay, so top YouTube creators, right? YouTube creators, top YouTube creators in the world. Okay, so as you can see, you have a lot of them, but you don't focus mainly about their popularity. No, you have to focus on the niche they are creating, and be sure if you are comfortable with that particular niche. In other words, if you'll be able to reproduce content in that kind. All right, because what will work for me might not work for you. Yes, okay, so what you need to do is, let's say me for instance, I'm into tech. Okay, yes, so top tech YouTubers. All right, so top tech YouTubers. So I find this guy this guy over here. This is the first time seeing this guy. Okay, so all I need to do is to copy his name. All right, go to YouTube. Okay, so YouTube home, then I'll paste his name over here. Okay, I think I made a mistake. I just search his name. As you can see, he's having over 20 million followers. Okay, 20 million subscribers over here. So yeah, so all you need to do is just watch a couple of his video. Okay, you just watch a couple of his video, have the idea about how he goes about the video. Okay, yes, before you start everything, because if you don't have any idea about how the person does the video, you just end up messing up your account, sorry, your channel. Yeah, so yes, so this one for instance, you are going to take this particular person as your mentor. Okay, you're going to take this particular person as your mentor, not mentor as in he's going to teach you. Yes, sorry, but for you to be watching his steps. Okay, yes, So okay, so also you can just do a search about top paying content on YouTube. Okay, yes, so these are the top paying contents on YouTube. Yeah, so the first one is finance and money. Yeah, so this one covers how to make money online, investing and trading, crypto tutorials, business ideas, banking, credit cards, side hustle, and all those stuff. Yeah, so this one is related to the money aspect. Okay, and the second one is tech and software tutorials. That's the AI, the software, the programming, tech reviews, web development, and stuff. Yes, so that one ranks the second. Yeah, and the third one is the real estate. Okay, so how to invest in real estate, the Airbnb business, and a whole lot. And the fourth one is business and entrepreneurship. Okay, how to start a business, how to grow it, and make sure with each niche you are going to select, you have an idea about it. Okay, if you don't have an idea and you feel like you still want to go in for it, you just do your research, proper research about it before you go into it. Yes, because with this YouTube stuff, you have to have idea about whatever you are going to post. Okay, yes, so let's come to the name. Okay, let's come to the name. So assuming I want to select a name. Okay, a name for my channel. For instance, my name is Emmanuel. Okay, so you are going to use ChatGPT for this particular week. Okay, so you just use this prompt. So my name is Emmanuel and I want to start creating content on YouTube about tech and finance. Okay, let's do it. Tech and software tutorials. Okay, so I need a tech name which includes my name. Okay, so since my name is Emmanuel and also I've given ChatGPT this prompt, it's going to give me a whole lot of names. So you just go through it and then choose whatever name you think is best for your channel. Okay, so the first one is Emmanuel Tech Hub. Okay, which sounds like crazy, like it's good. Yeah, the second one is Emmanuel Tech Academy, based on the script or the prompt I gave him. Okay. So the fourth one is Emmanuel Tech Pro. Fifth one is Emmanuel Tech Guides, Emmanuel Software School, Emmanuel Tech World. So if I'm to choose between these 10 names, alright, I'll go in for the first one. Yeah, because as you can see, the description states that this particular name is clean, professional, and easy to remember. Alright, so I'll just copy it over here. I'll go back to my YouTube. Alright, okay, so I'll go to my YouTube studio. What I need to do next is to change it. Okay, so I'm going to apply changes to it. So go to your channel. Okay, I'll come to customize channel, then I'll change my name. Okay, as you can see, the name is over here, so I just paste the name I copied. Yes, I'll just paste the name I copied. Alright, then I'll just publish it. Okay, so after publishing, let's just refresh and see if the changes was applied. So as you can see, the name has been changed over here. So Emmanuel Tech Hub is now our name for this particular YouTube channel, but with the username or the channel link, it didn't change. Yeah, the channel handle didn't change. If you still want to change it, you just come to customize channel. then you swipe down and you edit it over here. Okay, you edit it over here. But since I'm not interested in changing the handle, I'll just leave it this way. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe, like this video, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, so in my next video I'll teach you guys how to create content. Okay, teach you guys how to start uploading videos on this particular playlist. Okay, so if you've not watched the previous playlist, kindly go back and then watch it. After that, you come to this side and watch today's edition. Okay, so this is a day 2 of how to grow your YouTube channel from scratch. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next video.